What is a Google Review Badge and why are they important for your business? Review badges. What are they? Well, review badges allow you to showcase your business reviews on Google onto your website, as well as any counter updates every time you get a new review on your profile. Out of all the websites using the Review Badge widget, a 250% increase in conversions has been shown for all businesses using the tool, not to mention the additional work that goes into scraping reviews from all over the internet 24/7. We ensure that every badge is displayed as current and freshly curated so that every customer visiting your website notices you as the industry expert. One of the things review badges help with is that it shows your customers that you have nothing to hide with badges like these. Once again, if you want to know more on how to claim your free review badge, please visit us via S.E.O. Once again, for the review badge free trial, simply contact us by email with a reply of free review badge trial, and our representative will get in contact with you as soon as possible. For more free tips on how to gain more customers to your website or business, please visit this article or watch this marketing video. Contact us at frank@firesyapo.com.